Hey guys, this is Pete from Burke Entertainment. Welcome back for a new video. Today we are going to talk about the Barbell Row, which is one of the best movement for maximizing upper body pulling strength. It allows you to add strength quickly and work multiple muscles. As a compound exercise using free weights, the bent over row works many muscles groups. The main muscle group targeted in your back is your back, the last and rhomboids, assisting muscles or your biceps as well as muscles in your shoulders and forearms. Additionally, your legs and core, the abdominals and lower back muscles contract to stabilize or keep your body in place. While performing the exercise, increased strength in these muscles improve your posture and spine stability, reducing the risk for lower back injuries. No matter what level you are at currently, the bent row can be used to help you gain strength. With all of the upper body benefits, it's easy to overlook the full body stabilization effect of the barbell row. The bent over barbell row requires strength from the hands all the way down to the feet. The feet, legs, hips, and core have to work just to maintain and stabilize position throughout the exercise. Of course, more muscles working means more calories burned. So by activating an array of muscles, the barbell row turns into a fat burning exercise as well. As you get stronger in the barbell row, you gain strength to complete other major compounds movement. Specifically, you get stronger on the bench press, deadlift, and power clean. Here is why. For the bench press, the barbell row maintains the exact opposite muscles as the bench press, with an exactly opposite movement pattern. The stronger your back, rear delts, and biceps gets on the row. And for the deadlift, as alluded to in benefits above, the barbell row teaches you how to bend at the hips properly. Also, it teaches you how to build tension in the posterior chains before explosively lifting the bar off the floor, something that's essential to both the deadlift and power clean. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I will see you on the next one. Thank you.